Well, you know, the courthouse rumor mill is busy doing what it always does and saying that the fix is in for the good old boy network candidate or the candidate who is the most anti-McIntyre. And a lot of people in the community within the 2nd District have come to me with that concern. Candidates who've put themselves out have come to me with that concern. And my response to them has been that this particular commission has always done an excellent job of making appointments, of really making an effort of keeping personal political agendas out of that process and choosing the person who has the best resume and has the best feel for and the best fit for the job. So I know better than to pay attention to courthouse rumor mills, but it's out there, and it concerns people when they hear that.